Hey guys, it's Paskiiluv here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button to join the family, join the squad, because you are definitely welcome here. Today's video is all about this beautiful hair puff. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, keep on watching. So you guys, as you can see, I have a lot of shrinkage going on. I have a mini fro going on. My hair is already detangled because I already detangled my hair before filming this video. I filmed a video before this, which was the detangling video. I compared a wooden comb and a plastic comb, so please be sure to check that out. Whenever I do a high puff, the first thing I want to do is make sure that my hair is moisturized. So one thing I like using is the Shea Moisture hair smoothie. You can use any leave-in conditioner. It doesn't have to be this one. This is just what I currently have. It's just to get a little bit of moisture going, and I like to basically focus on the sides of my hair so that when I brush it, it can be pretty easy to brush. So like I said, I detangle my hair ahead, but even if you don't detangle your hair, you can still get away with doing this hairstyle. This is a DIY oil that I have, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a couple of drops of that. This is just for some added shine. My scalp is already oiled, so I'm just taking a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna again go on top of what I just did with the conditioner, the leave-in. So I'm just basically putting this along the perimeters of my hair. So I work my way up. I do the sides, the front. Alright guys, so the next thing I like to do is go in with some gel. I normally use the Eco Styler gel, but the one I'm trying today is the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel from Auntie Jackie's. I didn't want to commit to buying the full size. I wanted to go ahead and give it a try first. So it's already open. This is how much I have here. So this is just to further smooth out my hair and make it way more manageable. This smells amazing, by the way. Now I'm gonna take my brush and spray water. Up next, I'm going in with some edge control. The one that I'm using is the Edge Booster. So the secret to my high puff is just using yarn, the regular crochet yarn. So I have some that are already cut. So all you want to do is take a long string, and after you cut it, you want to double it up, and you want to make sure you have enough to go around your hair to create the high puff. So this is the yarn that I have. I just double it up. I don't know if you guys can see. And I basically just tie it. And I have enough to go around to create the high puff. This is very affordable. I'm pretty sure you can find yarn for like $2, $3, or $5. So when you get a big one, you could always just have it on hand. So after you brush your hair like I've done, you just go ahead and take your yarn, you put it in the back of your hair and bring it up like this. So make sure you have equal amount on both sides. You cross it over under, as in if you was tying it, and you hold each loop, and as you slide the string up from the back of your head, you just go ahead and tie the string at the front. So after you pull, you're just gonna go around, keep tying the string around your head until you get rid of all of the string. Then tuck it underneath your hair and use a bobby pin to go ahead and secure the string in place. So once you have your bun in place, you just want to go ahead and pull on your hair. So this part is super simple. I'm just gently pulling on my hair. Don't think I'm doing this rough or anything, you guys. I'm just gently pulling on my hair just to stretch it out a little bit. And this makes it more even and make the puff more voluminous as well. You can also use a pick if you want to. I just like using my fingers for this. I'm going back in with my edge control and a toothbrush that I specifically used for my edges, and I'm just taking some of that gel and putting some around my edges. Then I'm using the brush to go ahead and create some swoops. This part is totally optional, it's just something I like to do. Right before I tie my hair, I like to take a wet brush and go back around my hair just to make sure I get rid of any frizzes I might have gotten. Then to lay my hair down, I like to take my silk scarf and spray it down. Spraying the scarf down just helps to create some really nice waves. I tie this down, and when you do this in the morning, you can just go ahead and move on with either makeup, taking a shower, getting ready, getting dressed, and basically just untie the hair right before you get out the door. This was me tying my hair for about 5 minutes, and the wave turned out so good. I was feeling myself, so I went ahead and did this quick montage for you guys. As you can see, I was having so much fun with this hairstyle. It's really easy to do. If you want to be at the door in the morning, the minute you get up, I advise you to go ahead, do this hairstyle, and as your hair is laying down, you can go ahead and get ready. I always get lots of compliments every time I do this high puff. The best part is that it's a low effort hairstyle. You just need to brush the perimeter of your hair with some moisturizing products. Use the string to tie the hair up and your fingers to gently stretch the hair into the puff. I really hope you guys give it a try. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun filming it. Please, you guys, if you want to see more videos from me, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Join the family. I have a lot of space on this channel. We're trying to grow, so definitely join the family. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, be sure to leave a comment below. I always try my best to reply to you guys' comments. Share the video, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And of course, thank you for watching. Bye guys. Mwah.